Hello guys, welcome to another video and thank you so much for the response on my previous video. It was very overwhelming for me. Since I upload that video, I got a lot of message about a desk setup, a budget desk setup basically. Since most of us are working remotely, we need a working place in our home. So these are the 5 essential things which you can buy or can get started for building your workplace. So when I started building my own desk setup, I didn't have anything like the add-ons, which I call the add-ons, like the fancy stuff like the wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, lights and everything. I just had my MacBook, I had the desk monitor, and I had the desk and chair. That's it, nothing else. So like we start in the photography or videography, we start with whatever we have and then we build on that. So that's what I did with my desk setup also. So I'll not bore you guys with that and let's get started. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the laptop or the machine you want to choose. So this varies to person. I will not be suggesting any because everyone has different needs, different requirements from their laptop. But I can tell you the one I'm using is a 2019 version of MacBook Pro. It's a 13-inch, 256GB SSD and 8GB RAM. After your choice of laptop, the next thing comes, which is a desk. Desk is a very important thing, but it varies to person. Like the one I have here is from the Ikea. It's a 150 by 75 in a dimension. So if you have a smaller room, you will need a small desk. If you have a big space, then you can have a big desk. I'll recommend you guys to go to ikea.in, that's for India, and check out their desk. The one I got is in 4,000 bucks. At that time, I think sale was going on, and right now also under 5k you will get a very good quality of desk. Instead of Amazon, I'll recommend you guys to check Ikea. Next is choosing your monitor. The one I have here is a BenQ 27-inch HD monitor. I got this from Amazon at 12,000 bucks, I guess. Like also same thing, it depends on you what type of monitor you want. By the way, all the products which I'm mentioning in this video, the links for them will be in the description of this video. So if you guys want to check out them, you guys can go into description and you will see the links there. Next is a monitor stand. To be honest, I don't think you need a monitor stand. When I started to build my desk setup, I was not using any monitor stand. My friend suggested me, why don't you use books as a monitor stand? So yeah, the one I have here is from Amazon Basic. I like this because it had that wood finish type of feeling and it was cheaper, so I bought that. And last but not the least is the chair. When I was building my desk setup, the price of the chair was going out of my budget, so I bought from local market. It was like for 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. But if you guys can increase your budget, I will highly recommend to do that and get a ergonomic chair, because it will help you with your back and it will be very good for long run also. So these were the 5 things you guys can buy to get started with your own desk setup. Other things like wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, the lights, the plant, the frames, there are a lot of things which you can buy. I call them add-ons. So I don't think you guys need when you start to build your desk setup. Get to know your choice, get to know the personality you want to build with your desk setup, which is very important. That reflect the desk setup. It's kind of funny, but your desk setup reflects your personality. I hope this video will help you guys to start your own desk setup. And I would love to see your first desk setup or whatever desk setup you have. You guys can message me your photos on my social media handles. I will link all of them in the description box below. Yeah guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.